Hello and welcome back to Programs and Me YouTube channel. In Python, triple quotes can be used for different purposes, but using triple quotes to write comments in Python is not a good practice. Today, let's talk about it, why it is a bad practice. First reason is triple quotes create strings, not comments. It is not a real comment, it is a string. Python ignores the comments written with hash symbol, but if it encounters triple quotes, then it will treat it as a string literal, and it will create a string object and it will store that in the computer memory. Real comments are completely ignored by the Python interpreter. You can't access them during the Python execution. But the comments you write using triple quotes are not the real comments, they are the strings, so they can be accessed during Python execution. And the next reason is they can confuse your code's purpose. If I want to write comment inside a function, for example here, I'll write this is a comment. Now if I save this and execute this, it doesn't have any effect on your program or code. But if I use triple quotes to write the comment, then the program will treat this as docstring. Then when I want docstring, here you can see it will print this. So it will treat this as docstring inside the function. So you may get confused with real docstring and comment. So it is better to use triple quotes to write docstring and hash symbol to write comments. And the next reason is it goes against Python style guide. Official way of writing comments in Python is using hash symbol. And if you use triple quotes to write the comments, it goes against the Python style guide. And the next reason is poor readability for other developers. The developers who follow standard Python style guide will get confused with using triple quotes to write the comments. They'll get confused with the docstring and comments because we are using triple quotes to write both. And also when we use triple quotes to write comments, Python actually treat it as a string literal and it will store that in computer memory. So this behavior is against the behavior of real comment. True comments with the hash symbol are completely ignored by the Python interpreter and not stored in computer memory. That's why using triple quotes for comments in Python isn't considered good practice. That's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.